In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send PDF from laptop to phone WhatsApp. By the end, you will be able to move a PDF from your computer straight into a WhatsApp chat so it shows up on your phone, quickly and without cables. Make sure your computer and your phone are both connected to the internet, and that you are signed into WhatsApp on your phone. Start on your computer. Open a web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Or launch the WhatsApp desktop app if you have it installed. Both options work the same way. If you've never linked your computer before, you'll see a large QR code on the screen. Leave that visible. Now pick up your phone. In WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Link Devices, and tap Link a Device. Your camera will open so you can scan. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. If the camera asks for permission, allow it. In a moment, your WhatsApp will load on the computer, mirroring your chats. You only need to do this linking step once per computer. In the future, it will reconnect automatically unless you log out. Back on the computer, open the chat where you want to send the PDF. This can be any contact, a group, or even a chat with yourself if you are just transferring the file to your own phone. Sending it to your own chat is a handy way to keep personal files organized. Look for the attachment button next to the message box. It may appear as a plus sign or a paperclip icon. Click it. Then choose Document. This is important because choosing Document keeps the PDF in its original format, rather than trying to convert it like a photo. A file picker window will open. Browse to the folder where your PDF is saved, select the PDF and click Open. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct file. You can type a brief message in the text box if you want to add context, like a title, or a note about the contents. When you are ready, click the Send button, the arrow icon to upload and deliver the PDF. You will see a brief upload indicator, and then the message will appear in the chat. On your phone, open the same chat and you will see the PDF waiting there, ready whenever you need it. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish syncing. That's it. Thanks for watching.